OpenAI is projecting around 1 billion in ad revenue in 2026. If you understand what this means, you can position yourself now before most people even realize what's happening. ChatGPT just became an ad platform, and this is going to create a new wave of millionaires. Here's why you should care. This isn't just another ad platform. Industry experts are calling this the biggest shift in digital marketing since Google Ads launched in the year 2000. And the people who understand what's happening right now are going to build businesses off of this, the same way people built empires off of Facebook ads and Google ads when those platforms were brand new. When Facebook ads came out, most people ignored it. The people who learned it early, they built agencies, they built e-commerce brands. They became the go-to experts that every business needed. Same thing with Google Ads. The early movers didn't just run ads for themselves. They ran ads for other businesses, and they got paid very well to do it. What OpenAI just announced is the beginning of that exact same cycle, except this time it's happening inside the most powerful AI tool on the planet. Here's what we know. Ads will appear at the bottom of ChatGPT's responses. They'll be labeled sponsored, so you know it's an ad. It will not show ads to users under 18. Adverts will also not appear next to sensitive topics, including physical health, mental health, or politics. Free users will see ads. They also launched a new tier called ChatGPT Go for $8 a month. That tier will also have ads. If you're on ChatGPT Plus at $20 a month or Pro at $200 a month, you won't see ads. Now here's where it gets interesting. ChatGPT now has more than 800 million weekly active users. Most of them don't pay. Artificial intelligence is costly to build, but running it at this scale is even more expensive. OpenAI has been searching for ways to expand its revenue beyond subscriptions. Until now, it has leaned heavily on paid tiers like Plus, Pro, Business, and Enterprise. Now it is expanding Go globally too. This is not a small experiment. This is OpenAI going all in on advertising. And if you understand what this means, you can position yourself now before most people even realize what's happening. Now, here's why this is different from every other ad platform. When you search on Google, you type in a few keywords, Google shows you a list of links. You click one, maybe you buy, probably you don't. That's how it's worked for 25 years. But ChatGPT is different. When someone uses ChatGPT, they're not just typing keywords, they're having a conversation. They're explaining their problems, their goals, their budget, their preferences. And now it can show you an ad that fits exactly what you're looking for. The conversion rate for referrals inside ChatGPT conversations could be as much as 23 times higher than traditional search. That means for every 100 people who see your ad on Google, you might get 1 or 2 customers. But for every 100 people who see a relevant ad inside ChatGPT, you could potentially get 23 or more. Same ad spend, wildly different results. Here's the opportunity that almost nobody is talking about. When a new ad platform launches, there's always a window where the early adopters get massive advantages that late movers never get. Lower cost. Because there's less competition, ad prices are typically cheaper when a platform first launches. Algorithm influence. Early campaigns actually help train the AI on what good ads look like. That means early advertisers can shape how the platform works. And brand positioning, being one of the first brands people see on a new platform, establishes you as a leader in your space. This is exactly what happened with Facebook ads. The people who learned it in 2012 and 2013 built agencies that still make millions today. The people who waited until 2018, they're fighting over scraps and paying 10 times more for the same results. Right now, most people don't even know ChatGPT ads exist. This was just announced, which means you're hearing about this before most business owners, before most marketers, before most of your competition. The question is, what are you going to do with that information? ChatGPT ads will use something called semantic intent matching. That means the AI looks at the entire conversation, understands what the person actually wants, and shows them an ad that matches that intent. So if someone asks ChatGPT, what's the best way to learn digital marketing? An ad for a relevant course or program could appear at the bottom of the response. And the format is designed to feel familiar. Ask ChatGPT for travel ideas and you might see a holiday offer. Ask for dinner suggestions and you could get a sponsored product underneath. And the businesses and individuals who learn how to use it first are going to have a significant head start. So how do you actually prepare for this? Number one, learn AI. I know that sounds obvious, but most people are still just playing with ChatGPT. They're asking it to write jokes or summarize articles. That's not where the opportunity is. The opportunity is in understanding how AI actually works, how businesses are using it, and how to apply it to real problems. If you guys want to improve your AI prompting skills, or you're a business and you just don't know where to start with AI, then click the link down below and jump in a free one-on-one personalized training course with me and we'll get the ball rolling. Start thinking about this as a skill you can offer. When Facebook ads launched, there was a massive demand for people who knew how to run them. Business owners didn't have time to learn it themselves, so they hired agencies. They paid thousands of dollars a month for someone to manage their ads. The same thing is about to happen with AI advertising. Local businesses, e-commerce brands, coaches and consultants, they're all going to need help with this. And if you're one of the few people who understands it, you become incredibly valuable. Number three, get ahead of the curve now. Don't wait until everyone else figures this out. The people who start learning AI today will be the experts that businesses turn to tomorrow. Most people are going to watch this video, think that's interesting, and do nothing. They'll wait until ChatGPT ads are everywhere, until the costs go up, until the competition is fierce, and then they'll wonder why it's so hard to get results. But a small percentage of people are going to see this for what it is, a once-in-a-decade opportunity to get ahead of a massive shift, the same kind of shift that created millionaires with Google ads and Facebook ads. If you want to be one of those people, start learning AI now, not tomorrow, not next month, now.